Good morning, everybody. This is David from the New Trader. This is Marie. Yeah, let's see what opportunities we find today. Market is this is still very rangy, and yeah, let's see what we can do. I have today is triple witching day, so we have expiration day for options of 3 months and weekly and all those things. So at the end of the day, around 3:30, the market's gonna be moving a lot. It's probably gonna be moving a lot during the day as well. Uh, but just to know that, yeah, it is going to move a lot, and either way, like, I mean, we just don't know what direction it's gonna take. So yeah, just watch out and be careful with your trading and have fun, and like, let's see. I'm gonna go through the stocks I am planning to trade. Yeah, Hood. I see Hood is rangy there on the top. You had an overnight Hood. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it didn't do much, right? Like, it was around the same
No.
price, pretty much.
Overnight.
Yeah.
And
So yeah. What about you, Marie? How is your survival?
oof, it's a little bit tough this morning, but like you, surviving. Yeah, it's been a tough couple of days. But and you, Davey, how are you doing?
Yeah, this is like, I guess you have been taking some medicine for that,
Oh yeah,
like
I've got 2 sprays.
that thing is not gonna go away on its own.
No.
And as I say, like, for some reason, like, the last couple times that we have been getting sick, we have been sick for good. Like, I mean, it's
Yeah, we kept it a long time.
yeah. So yeah, I'm doing good in general, Marie. Like, everything quiet here. Like, I have a little headache too, but hey,
So we'll be talking quiet, both of us.
and I cannot guarantee that. But if I get too loud, you just let me know. Hey, man, shut up or whatever.
Yeah, that's my MO. Hey,
But yeah,
Evie,
you
you're
know, like,
talking too much. Shut up.
it's,
I usually say that.
you don't say it, but you're allowed to say it. It's like, you don't have to hold me just because I am Mexican.
You're funny. You're hilarious.
So yeah,
Well,
as
I agree with you for the rangy day. If I'm looking at SPY, and I looked at the tape, I look at what we were seeing in SPY, and I could very well be a little bit of a rangy day this morning.
Did I say it was going to be a rangy day?
Yeah. I don't know why.
No, I think I say it has been rangy.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I'm wrong, but if I say that, I'm sorry. I take it back. If I
Okay.
did say that, because like the market has been rangy up to now, but today I do not expect it to be that rangy. Like, I mean, like, the move either opened or down, I think it's gonna be a little bit abrupted. Like, normally this move gets fade out at the open. Like, what I mean by that, normally if it goes all the way down, then when it's stabilized again, it's gonna go back up. Or
Okay.
if it's all the way up, then when it stabilizes, it's gonna go all the way down.
Okay.
But yeah, no much hope
Very
from me
green.
from
If you're looking at everything, it's very green.
yeah, for sure. But like, I just want to correct my opinion on whatever I said before. But yeah, I didn't want to interrupt you. So you think it could be a rangy day today?
Well, when I'm looking at SPY, there's 2 things at SPY that stick out. So
Okay, I'm following you there.
we've got 2 things that stick out. We've got a 598.42 that's just huge for SPY. And the 598.42 is followed by a stack. Now that stack really till 600 and 641. And then there's a huge
When you say huge stack in here, what are we talking about? How much is it?
So when we're looking at the first, that's, well, there you go. 598.42 is going through right now. So that was 100 lot. Then we've got 600, that's 54. with a little stack that goes to there. So 41, 41, 40, 25. The biggest one is
It's at 105.
exactly
And
at
it's 150?
150. Exactly.
Yeah.
But for what I see on Spy, there's just not the involvement to get it there to 605. The RSI though is very, very strong. And I'm going to really watch Spy at the 600 and see where it's going to do at 600
Hmm.
because I'm expecting it go back from there. We'll see.
Okay. Yeah, in my valoration for it, or my ponderation of it, like 150 or 100 is not a lot on those indexes, especially today. Like when you say huge, like I was saying, oh, maybe 500.
No.
As the other time, you remember when we
Oh
were.
God, that was insane. Yeah.
That is huge, but like 150 lot is
But
relevant
there's
for
really
sure.
nothing. Like there's nothing at 604. There's nothing at 603. There's nothing at 602. It's just that 605 alone,
Yeah,
right there.
you are comparing it with the others, and like yeah, watch out for that. Today is
Okay.
like today that size should be nothing.
Okay.
So
We'll see what is going to transpire.
yeah, for sure. But yeah, okay. So I put my lines exactly where you say, like the 600, the 605, and the one that went through right now, like it rejected kind of precise. So the one that 698.42, 698.50, I think it
Yeah,
was.
698.42 exactly. That
And,
was one of 105, and it just pulling back from there. So I was thinking
I see it going to 105 today.
to 605. You mean?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, 605. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah.
And the market's really green right now. Funny that we've got Lucy, excuse me, at the top volume this morning.
Yeah, it's because it's like 2 cents.
Oh, you're funny.
No, it is a reality. It's a fraction of what have been expended on.
Yeah, but it's Lucy. Like we haven't seen Lucy since when?
Okay, we are talking about a different Lucy. Yeah, that's not the. When she say Lucy, it's not the car maker. This Lucy is another Lucy.
Oh, okay.
It's Lucy. Yeah, this is LCID. Is the Lucy that make the cars, and the other.
Oh, Lucid.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
yeah, Lucid and Lucy.
Have you ever seen me? Like I never seen this ticket.
Lucy? Yeah. I've seen that ticket before, but we haven't seen it in top volumes. Since I don't remember when.
Okay, so for the ticket that you are looking at, I'm gonna let you go.
Oh
Because
no,
am
I
not-
don't. I'm not gonna. I
I'm
find
not
out.
trading those, so come
Well,
on.
I'm trading it, but in my sim.
Okay, so I'm gonna go and look at my tapes. So PLTR. Let's see. PLTR is doing a crazy move. You can keep giving us your ideas. I mean, like I don't have much to say about my things. So
We've got positions going up to 145 for PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
So 140.68 at the open could be pulling back to there. We've got a huge position there. I have 100 lots. Yeah, we've got 142, we got 143, 144, 145. Wow. I'm just looking at Marvell. Jeez Louise. So everybody's looking for lungs.
Cool.
I'm just not convinced of that.
Trying to get long on hood. I got it, but immediately got me out. That didn't work good. Though I'm gonna keep watching. Oof, Nvidia. Did you see the volume on Nvidia today? 300%.
Nvidia?
Yeah.
I see 145. Arvo? 146.
Mm-hmm.
What do you see?
Something is wrong with your thing. 300%.
No, I don't see that.
Like in my thing, you have been trading 29 million share. In yours, it's only trading
14.
14. Okay. That's weird.
Okay. That's big. Weird, eh? That the market is pulling back so much.
Remember, like what I told you, that it may fade out and then go back up. But yeah, we have to be nimble. Oh la la. Okay, so I took 2 losses already on Hood. and it's not holding, so I'm gonna wait. If I assume that the size I'm seeing on NVIDIA are correct, um, okay, let's see NVIDIA. I'm trying to go along NVIDIA. Let's see who just didn't work. And and nothing's working.
Okay, so SPY now is back to the open. They're getting smoked by wood.
I left it alone for a little bit, and I came to trade NVDA. It could be a good trade, but I have to. Unfortunately, I have to. I'm just waiting to take a little partial here and there because I am red already, and start little by little like that. By and right, they're gonna be okay. So let's do the job correctly. So
Here comes the money, money, money.
I know I empty a lot of that, but I just there is no need to take a lot. So I'm gonna be breaking even. Let's see if he wants to bring more. But I can probably take some food if ever he smoked enough people already.
Did it?
Probably no, probably no. Hi, papi. That started looking like a short more than like a long. So PLTR, PLTR. Look, PLTR. This is the one. Which, to be honest, I don't know why, but whatever. I don't have to know why.
Excuse me? You said what? Wow. You must have a big headache.
So let's try to get some at that price. So so I'm trying to get some PLTR, and as I say, this is the one that I want. I might be wrong, but let's see. Let's let it break down a bit. Yeah. I don't know why it didn't work. Because he didn't pay attention, my guy. It didn't work.
Okay,
And just like that. Just like that, my guy. Like we are printing it in.
Nice. Look at that.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back to look at Apple soon. So maybe Apple wanna bite. PLTI is not holding that good. I mean, like, I did like the trade, but what happened? Yeah, PLTI got me out. Let me look at AMD. Ooh la la.
I know, that was my...
What I'm doing with PLTR. No, PLTR is looking good. No joke about.
Look at the wicks on NVIDIA. Holy
Yeah.
holy.
I don't know. I still have very high volume on BDA, but I don't think it's a short. I'm gonna start like one. Let's see if I can have a full size on NVDA, and if that size is wrong, I'm gonna be out with a lost. Okay, I got it. But you wanna see how pro trades? Look at that shit. I'm sorry about the vocabulary. Look at that adding.
Wow. Good job.
And now I have a full size.
Look at AMD. Jeez.
And oh my goodness.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Yalla yalla. Okay, my target is down here. Man, that's easy. Ish. I'm not talking shit about that. So, man, what is going on with my vocabulary today? I'm sorry.
Well, you do have a headache.
Yeah, but that doesn't justify anything. So, I'm gonna be out of NVIDIA apparently. Yeah, I'm out of NVIDIA. There we go. But that was good. I cash out. Baby, baby. La 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 la.
Baby, baby.
So, Palantir, dime, Palantir, where do you want me to go? Man, those weeks on Palantir. Okay, I see my guy. I see you. I see you. Que lo que. You shut up. Okay, let's see if we can get those Palantirs. Baby, baby. La 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 la. Yeah, I think everything is longish. Like Nvidia, it's popping up again, and like there is a decent size at 145.25. So if you wanna get it long, that will be the price pretty much. But I am waiting for Palantir. Palantir is it have been getting bought out, and so just about this conversation we had Friday, you and I, and that's why I'm patiently waiting here and front running a bit. Like that's supposed to be respected by the penny. Ooh, but let's see. Baby, baby. What about AMD? Man, I am not joining that. Like I mean, I am not chasing it, and that's okay. That's okay. If you see me going, let it be. Amazon, what is Amazon doing? Into the woods. Man, it's unbelievable that coin is $300. Well, it's not believable. We were seeing that coming, but like, it's just probably the fact that we never took the trade. Palantir is struggling. I don't want it until I am offering what I consider a decent price. So I am bidding a decent price. So I know it will look ugly when it break down.
Okay.
But that look only, you have to put in perspective that we are below the 200, the 400, and everybody on there beep. So, but yeah, I think I have the definition for what we introduce. I think like little by little, and like to me that was the shot there. Even if it doesn't work, it, technically talking, is correct. So let's see if it manifests or not.
Look at the wicks on NVIDIA.
I know. Triple wishing day, remember? It is healthy to argue why I am not going short, because I am leaving a couple hours in there. I could be going short, but I didn't think about it, and I am late for it, so I am not chasing it. I'm gonna wait for the long. Baby, baby. Ah, la 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 la. So according to what you and I were talking last week, at the end of last week, Palantir is a decent reversal
Okay.
because it's being bought on its way down.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing a little bit of front running because I do not expect it to like to across the hour by too much. So let's see. So good. It is working so
Your
good.
UPD looks really good, short.
Unbelievable what it is.
I might be going to QUBT short.
Baby, baby. La 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 la. La 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 la. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar, rodar y rodar. Y órale, pues yo sé bien que no me quisiste, pero vas, estás muy triste cuando te toque llorar. Tararán, tan, tan, tan.
Wow. Check Tesla out.
I'll be there. I just don't want to because
No.
the volatility is so high that if I move the mantage too much, I can take a big slippage. And let's see that now you went far a bit. Tesla, ooh la la. The two good buy for me long, like swing, according to my opinion, is like when I check. The best one is the one you say, Apple, and the second best one is Tesla. And today Tesla is right there. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino era rodar y rodar, rodar y rodar. I haven't got any PLTR yet, but I have no reason to fall from like front run it for more than what I am. Giving it 3 cents if you want it. Good. That's a trader, and that's why like they like let's say I would be risking 15 cents. I have clear reason to say I don't want to risk more than 10 cents on it. Right now I don't have the hotkey for that, so but I'm gonna have it soon. But look at that. Look at that thing just going back up without me. But it didn't get me by a couple cents. It's okay. It's okay. And if you want to be like disciplined for real, like you see the biggest participant, are they moving their sizes? No. So they miss the trade the same way you miss it. SPY is tanking right now. I don't know for which reason, but yeah.
Pretty much at the level, right? That's, Well, that was opening.
What about who?
Look at your BBI. Wow.
Ooh, that's interesting. It's coming down.
Yeah. 380. That looks so good at 380. So what's your volume on NVIDIA?
47 million.
And what about Amazon?
12 million.
Yeah, Amazon's correct. The rest are correct. It's just Amazon that's not right.
Just Nvidia?
It's just NVIDIA, yeah. Weird.
Yo!
Yeah, and the Arvo, I've got 105 and you've got 154.
Yo, compadre. Esto sé por qué. Una piedra en el camino me enseñó que mi destino. Ay, ay, ay. The way this is coming down, I don't even know if I wanna get it. I'm gonna get it, like, just a shot with the hey man, like, coming too fast, too furious. Is it on a roll over? What's up?
It's Friday. Good morning, Larry.
Oh, Friday. You taste honey, honey. Does it taste honey, honey? I know it doesn't say that. It's okay. It's my own version of it.
Cute.
Palantir, my guy. Go for it. Go for it. Ah. You're such a cutie. There we go. Yeah. Did it hold? And it does hold a little bit. Okay, you're a cutie, my guy. You see, now I'm picking up your words. Ay, 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 ay. let's let it play a bit. I mean, I like the reaction. Doesn't, yeah, ooh, faded out. Like, that's no good, no good. We just went down. Why do I want to go long in PLTR? Because it is holding good. Like, technically, I am not wrong yet. Hey, let's see if PLTR claim the 139. As I say, it's just the market is flushing right now. I mean, like, yeah, SPY needs to go lower a bit more probably. So I don't know if you remember me saying about the sizes that they show up and they walk away, and then it's like I start to think that I like them even more when they do that. What I'm doing now, I'm getting a price that I saw before that is not there anymore, and let's see if that doesn't work. Probably we're gonna leave it alone. If it claimed the 39 for good, I probably gonna go back at the 39 because I did like the reaction at 39. It's just yeah, that's kind of what I'm saying. So we're gonna let it play a bit. Try one more shot at the 39. I got 39 precisely. If it doesn't work, we're gonna let it do other things. And but that should hold there, and it is holding, as I say. That's beautiful. So market, when I say market, SPY need to cooperate a bit more for me to be right here, because SPY still have a little down move that can happen at any time. So yeah, let's start ringing that bell because we don't want to be wrong here.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So what I do have is an order to add where my instead of break even, I am trying to add at the same price, and that's being trade efficient. As I say, like if we go back there, I want more shares. But as I say, like when you go back, you just come fast and furious toward the downside, and look at that, it's gonna get me out, and it's okay, it's a regular loss. We already paid for it, but we are not even getting out. The 39 is being respected by the penny. I mean, a couple pennies off, but yeah, it's okay. But did you see how I reloaded twice?
Yeah.
The same price? Like, yes, I'm taking risk in this trade, but I pay for that risk already. So Yeah, probably if he keep playing with the 39, probably we don't want it, especially because the SPY is going the way it's going. But yeah, let's try to do good trading. If we ever know how is it done. Um, Basically, if we clear the 139.50, I am breaking even, and I leave it to like. And in that case, I can be having excuses to not take partial due to the fact that I have zero risk. But it will need to clear the 139.50 for me to be that comfortable, and probably won't do that because, as I say, market are not cooperating right now, and I think we're gonna go there. PLTR have not that high relative volume today, so the orders cannot be too big on the upside, and I have to watch out for that. So very funny PLTR. So as I say, once we clear 50, I'm gonna be breaking even. We haven't stayed above 50 for good, so it's okay. I'm gonna be breaking even because we pierced it and we are trying to hold. I don't wanna catch a flush from there, but man, like this is amazing. It's just in the next push, I gonna take some out. So what do? We break even or we reload at 39? We reload at 39. I really don't care if he come back to 39 and he giving me a loss. I have paid 3 times for that already. So, and there we go. Let's let it go to the moon. If it's ever gonna go to the moon. Why I don't have enough share? Ah, yeah, because I just took, yeah. Okay, it's okay. I just took a partial. My bad. Let's give it a shot to, yeah, again, like look at the sizes I was talking about. NVDA. What did NVIDIA do? Look at the line here. I just put that yellow line there because I kind of didn't care about the size for real. But the size went away and it went, touch it, go back up. Oh, but it's not there anymore. Well, I don't know. If he was there, apparently he's there somewhere else. So, Palantir is getting, it's gonna go back to the 139 as I say, I'm gonna be just reloading. If we go to 39, I am reloading. So, but I think he's not gonna go there. I think this is just shaking out weak hands. So, load it, load it, load it, load it, load it. Oui, patron.
The market is just.
Yeah, watch out because the SPY is going to the turning point very soon. To what I consider turning point. Like I mean, we are talking about probably just right there. We snap it a little bit, but that to me is not gonna be fade out.
For me, it's
596.47.
595.80.
Okay, it could be you are more in touch than me on the tape on SPY, but I don't see him going below probably. Okay.
I put the line there.
To me, it will be the purple dotted line that you have right there, which is 596.47.
Yeah, I see it.
I think from there we're gonna go just higher. You see that micro consolidation that we got at 597.50?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? That's buying. So a little bit disappointing that Palantir, like I mean like, and I say disappointing is just because I am not good enough yet at that, but like um yeah, like it's not breaking the trend, and will it break it? I think it will, but what it's gonna do first, that's the question. So reload it. Come on, buy the penny. Okay. Reload Palantir again, the same price. That doesn't mean I want to play it every time, so it's just like, let's see. Um, yeah, that may not work, as I say. I have reloaded the price 4 times up to now. Like, I mean, 4 times the same price. As I say, there is a time that it's not gonna work, but I pay for it already. So that might be this time. I think it's under stress right there. It got me out, and that's okay. Let's go and look at something else. And now this is a short, and oh, I mean, like, is it for real a short? Oh la la. Are you gonna stick to Palantir? So I have my order in for Palantir, and I know it's yeah, probably I am. That's not correct. Okay, so okay, I won't modify my order. I'm just gonna let it go. Let it go.
Let it go.
Tell me where you are. Yeah, like, it's okay. I'm gonna modify my order, and then it's a two shot things there, and but we did very good on the top there. Like, basically, I was concerned because I was red, but let it go. For anybody watching, like, look at Justin Bieber reacting by the penny. That's it. Like, this time is by the penny to that 145.25. Palantir. I'm going short Palantir.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if he ever get me.
At 139?
I'm front running that one. But yeah. Yeah, I got it. And now I'm going short toward the 138. Um, it's okay. I know the trade's a little bit obvious there, so it can be a little bit shaky. There we go. We got shakeout. We got it back. We don't like to be shake out. Shake out your mom. It's okay. Oh. I won't be too picky. This is a trade I want to get all out whenever I'm gonna be taking it, because I believe in the long on Palantir. Because I do believe in the long, I wanna take the long at the right price. So I just, as long as I don't miss the long. Lower. I know you can go lower. From the good to go, breaking even. As I say, I don't believe in the short on Palantir. I just want to capture, it's like a dollar move, so buyers show up a little bit ahead there. The reason why I'm breaking even is because it doesn't worth it to take a loss. Like if you go back to hold the 139, I'm gonna be wrong for sure. So my average price is 139.02. So I wanted to see it walking away from that price,
Okay.
and then I want to go long at another price. But for now, we have to just watch it. I don't like the fact that it's not flushing, because it should be a little bit more flushy there. It's not at all. Okay, came back, it got me out. I got it back. Wrong stop loss for sure. Okay.
RSI is curling back up on SPY.
That last shot is a mistake. Like I'm gonna hold it because of the same thing. It's just yes, I wanna go short yet, but I took the wrong price. Like I saw the price. I'm supposed to be getting what is actually my exit, and that's what I don't like about it. But this time we are getting flushy. So and yeah, let's go down, my guy. You don't belong there right now. It's temporary. I know that, but you have to be flush. So I'm gonna be breaking even again. I'm sorry. It's just it makes no sense to me.
Why would you apologize for that?
Because I supposed to be having the convictions of holding for longer because I know what I'm doing. But yeah, breaking even the way I'm trading, sometimes it's just an ingredient that you don't want into your plate. The reason for that is because you can get stop out and then right back up. But yeah, front the good to go, flush it there. I know you want it, flush it there. Let's be capturing some of that thing.
Here comes the
And
money. Money, money,
Good job.
so, go down. I know you want to go down. So it did a marker there, so I'm gonna take another partial very soon. Did you see Nvidia?
No. Flushing?
Uh huh.
Well, something has to feed.
That was the marker, so now let's just do the rest. The bit got pulled out massively. I have so little shares that it's like
Good job.
baila como Juana la cubana.
That's a Saturday. That's a Friday song.
This is how we do it.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Yalla, yalla. So let's see where I do find a trade. PLTR, my God, like, I mean, hey, I was liking you. I kind of don't like you anymore. At least not for that long. And yeah, I gonna erase all my line because they mean nothing anymore. And I gonna drop off just one line. And then I have a point of reference. But from there, if you are not short, I don't know. How you say you don't know what you don't know? Look at Hood. Like I'm glad I never touched it again. It's though I didn't see what was in there either. Like I mean, I have an idea that is something we wanna check at some point because the scanner we are using right now is not sophisticated at all. But at the same thing, it doesn't work to have a scanner that is sophisticated if you don't have a sophisticated play.
Oh, you're funny.
No, like, but right now the scanner we were using before,
Mm-hmm.
there is a intrinsic value on it that I want to discuss with you later. I had two Palantir short, and it's just a shot to the moon, like whatever.
Okay.
I did at the right price. That doesn't mean it's gonna work. I just don't know. Like I mean, that was the price that I want to go long, and we broke through like no good, and like now it might be attractive for our little buyer there. Let's see. I wanna let it play a little bit. Probably 1 minute it's gonna be enough to show if we have intentions of holding there or not. Why do we have to have headaches? Like I don't get it. Like, couldn't he invent something else? You have to be a headache.
It's hard to function when you got a headache.
Yeah, but couldn't he put you in 2 days of observation for not doing good? But No, you have to be painful. So I definitely gonna get out of this. And as I say, like
Excuse me. Can we mute?
yeah, for sure.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money,
I forgot to bring it back. Sorry, everybody. We have been mute for a long time. I forgot to put it back. So all out in this train. What is going on right there? It doesn't want to go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So I'm trying to get long now, and I'm
You think?
yeah, I think it's the right thing to do, but it's just the same way I was not willing to get another price for the short. I am not willing to get another price for the long, so I am not chasing any move. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I'm okay with that. But we have, like I have to front run it because, like, as I say, the order never back. Like, and I know you didn't hear a bunch of things I say, but whatever was at 138, like though it's not there anymore, was legit, and like I think this can really have like PLTR have the potential to go above the VWAP for good. It's just a matter of time, but you have to make sure you get the good price, and the good price is about 138. So we have been doing fantastic today. I mean, like we went red 2 times, but the first 3 shot I kind of didn't have a choice because he got me out immediately. So SPY still going down. And something I don't like about the long on Palantir is, but as I say, like you have to be nimble, like, and you have to be patient. Like I want that price or I don't want it. This thing was selling off. Like whoever pushes from there, the size was so insignificant, and this one too, that it is kind of saying the stock is weak. So and once they go away, and which is they went away, and that's why I am offering long, and that's why I got everything out here, because I think we are almost ready to do the reversal. And of course, with that trade I'm taking there, if that trade doesn't work, I'm gonna be blocked.
So why do you say that it's going to reverse?
Because it's okay. I can explain it to you later. It's a bit more complex, and come on, okay, one more week. Get it down. Get it down. Get it down. got your reversal.
Hmm?
It is a reversal.
I'm thinking that SPY is gonna go to 591.
Well, I am talking about PLTR.
Okay.
Like the SPY, that's another story.
So you were talking PLTR?
Mm-hmm. Look at PLTR. It's so funny there. So probably um, I have reason to keep going long, but display didn't work last week.
So what are you in, maybe? Still
Uh,
Palantir?
waiting for Palantir.
Okay.
I have been like, this is where I put my order. This is how close it went,
Oof.
and it's just a waiting process. Take a quick look at NVDA.
What does PLTR do?
Um, testing people's patience. So
Okay.
it's so I am planning to move my order on the Palantir.
I'm not gonna say muted because I know. Last time we forgot it.
No, it's okay. We can do it. I got Palantir long at a worse price,
Okay.
and let's see. Let's see if it's legit. Like, I know the reversal is there. It's just the price I have is not the price I wanted, you know. So, but what is it doing? It is printing, my guy. It is printing.
Is it?
Yeah.
And what the tape say?
It is a legit, but that's why I like. But the problem is that it is not a legit from now. It's a legit from $1 ago. So it's just.
But you were waiting for the price.
Oh, I mean, I have to get faster. The keyboard, and that's why it's not working good. Like the way I'm trading required you to be fast, because like you see, I'm gonna explain it what happened to the. The only good thing is that I still did the responsible thing, so I did get out of the way with a little bit of profit instead of breaking even. So here I went short here. That was 30 lot.
Okay.
I went short. That's a whole dollar. That is $1. So I went short to go long at 138. It touched the 138 by the penny, and I didn't took partial. I say, next time it touches, I'm gonna take partial. So I took partial here.
Good job.
And I am just seeing by how much he's respecting it by the penny. And
138,
next time we
138.
interact, it was even less. And I say, you know what? I want to be all out here. But instead of being all out here, I should be all out here and going in here. Because this was enough information for me to be out. So and go reverse here. Like look what they did. He didn't even touch it.
Didn't touch it.
So and it's doing what? Going to the VWAP. And why did I say I want this? This is being bought everywhere. People are buying this crap from early. Well, this crap. Palantir is not a crap. I'm sorry. Saying my vocabulary today is not the best.
It's a little bit.
So I'm breaking even. I may be able to test it 39 and like it's from the VWAP. I want that VWAP to be broken for good, or I want to be out of this trade because hey, that's it. I am not gonna be blocked. So yeah, so
I like that. Good discipline.
learning so much new things that I don't even know what to think about it. Go breakthrough. I know you want it. Breakthrough. Don't be bad. So I'm gonna take half of the position soon and I'm gonna let the rest for whatever it wants to do. It reject the VWAP. But the problem, like, it's not a real rejection of the VWAP.
Why?
Because that VWAP right now coincide with the it's a coincidence
200?
with the opening range
Okay.
low, and I should be all out there because we have a size there that is relevant. Remember that this is trading in what? In average volume, I think, below average volume.
Oof.
So I should be taking all out or half in there. There is no doubt about that. Yeah, they more and more they realize, more and more they are piling up on there, and yeah, push it, like test it again because I know you wanna test it. Like those are the short sellers that will get rolled over, in my opinion. The one that are at 139.50. Oh no. There we go. Remember you're going long, so you have to press the red hotkey. Not the green, the red.
Money talk.
Here comes the money, money,
Now I don't care what it does. So now I just gonna hold. If he goes to the moon, we go to the moon. If he get me out, I'm risking 0-0. Una piedra en el camino. And I have enough information there to go short at the VWAP, but I will assume that that is incorrect
Okay.
because of what happened before. So you can expect at least a decent pullback from the 139.50, and a decent pullback will get me out because I am only like 30 cents in the money, probably something like that. So yeah, there we go. Well, what did I say? I cashed out like 3 trades in just that one. No, 2 trades in that one. So this trade is so free that Let it go. Let it go. And if you're going short from 139.50 in that push, you're supposed to be taking partial because just right there you are 30 cents in the money.
You are 30 cents in the money?
No, whoever went short with the 39.50 was in the money there. And like as I say, I still think they're gonna, like, even if my trade doesn't work, I think they're gonna get rollover. It's just it will take a little bit longer apparently because the seller really accelerate there. And my average price is exactly at the point where I will be going long if I didn't have the trade. So I can probably reload that trade. Yeah, let's reload that trade. If he give me time. Like you see, that's what I mean about being fast. Okay, yeah, I have time to reload, so I am trying to reload. I'm trying to reload right there. Probably it won't get me the shares, so let's see. It got me the shares. So now it's supposed to bounce. And I am not reading the tape on that one. It's just mathematically talking, the accumulation that happened here is supposed to be enough that the one at 39.50 need to be rollover. So for whoever took the trade from 139.50 is toward 139, and that's it. But yeah, it didn't work. It got me out, and that's it. I'm blocked for the day, but I'm blocked with profit, so that's good. I would be like, if I wouldn't be blocked or if I would be looking to make more, like it will be, I will be still go long at the 39. You have to put in perspective how much aggressiveness they had to show for them to push the price down. And what I mean by that, when we were pushing up here, what they show up here was only 30 lot. They say, oh yeah, 30 lot is enough for it to go down. And because of all the strength we accumulate here, at the VWAP, they show about 200 lot. And that's why I say it's a decent pullback. We are trading average, 200 lot for an average day on our stock that have been selling off. It's enough for it to go down.
That makes sense.
Yeah. Now you will see the 39 rolling them over. Why? The guy that was along here, first along, how much he had? 500. And then he had 500 and everybody that bought with him against 200. So he need to roll over. That's a healthy pool, profit taking there. So I know it's keep going down. Like, I mean, if you want to be more disciplined, you can really look at the tape. You remember I say I am not looking at the tape in here, but
Yeah, you weren't, right?
but you can look at the tape and, like, if you don't want to get the flat 39, like say 39 because you say, oh, I don't want to risk more than 20 cents, you can look at the tape and, but yeah, like 3180 probably 3182. That it's a little lot, but in my opinion that's a test. That's test being done right there. They wanna see, yeah, 80. What happened? That he hold. So now he do what? 82, and he just seeing if he hold again. The only thing is that implies that they wanna go short, because the test is being done in the opposite direction. But I don't know if everybody trade like Liverpool.
A what?
I don't think so, but yeah.
You don't repeat that?
Like Livermore, not Liverpool.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like, yeah, like I know everybody trade like Livermore, and like you don't have to do those things that many times. Ay, papa. Look what happened at the 39. That was exactly my expectation. Now, whoop. That 39 is going to hold.
So it's between 138 and 139.
No, like the 138 was the biggest buyer. But now, like, the amount that he was buying, I'm pretty sure he have more to buy. And he have everybody and their mother buying. So yeah, like, the 39 is looking, maybe it will be good if some sizes show up in there. It will be better. But the sizes are not showing. Fantasía.
You think it's gonna go through the 139.50?
Yes, it will. There are little problems in there. It's not gonna be easy to go there, through there, because as I say, like if I'm gonna follow my definition of what is a good trade,
Yeah.
I will be going short at the 139.50. Why? Because we have the VWAP, we have the 200 moving average, we have the bottom of the opening range, and we have 200 lots sitting down there as a sell order. So it makes total sense that it won't break it. But the reason why I say it will break it is because, or maybe it's gonna be rangy. I don't know. Remember, it's average volume today, and the 200 lot are decent, like are kind of big, but the 500 lot were like way bigger. And what I am saying is that the forces that we accumulate here should be enough to break the 139.50. But yeah, like look, it's turning right before. So, like if you make a lower low, walk away from the area of the low. But again, like where was the test performed? At 138.80. And while this guy only need 10 lot for him to make it go up, this guy need 167 plus whatever, 200 lot for it to make it down. So what that is telling you is that all the forces are aligned toward the hope side. Like this is one participation, but this is one participation and one participation that make it bounce. Like he have 20 sizes, 20 times whatever the buyer had at that price for him to make it push. So where is the point of less resistance is toward the hope side. Like the forces are being applied from the top, the strongest forces, but the movement is less resistant toward the hope side. So I'm gonna watch it out. Like I'm gonna just watch it. I am blocked, as I say, for the day. with profit, and that's good. But as I say, I'm just gonna watch it because I gonna be keep learning. Like just today, I absorbed so much information out of this tape
Did you?
that is not helping my headache, but it's sweet. It's good. So yeah, like I only took 2 trades that didn't work, and they were at the open.
Did you want to wrap up?
Yes, for sure. Let's do this. So, okay. So I first trade Nvidia and like I deboning everything. Like I mean, the only red trade I have is Hood. That was the one I traded at the open. And yeah, so basically in Hood, I went long right here. It didn't work. It get me out immediately. So that was I think was
A
400
flush right
lot.
after.
Yeah, and like maybe it was my bad because if you have 400 lot and it didn't hold, I gonna check the streaming back because if it was 400, then this shot is a mistake because I shouldn't take long until they claim it back. But let's keep it nimble there. I have to check that back. So what I'm saying here, like didn't hold. So my only red ticket right now is these 2 shots here that none of them work, and I'm glad I walk away from it. And I hear Marie saying that other people were getting smoked by it, so I say
Absolutely.
let's let them get the smoke. So, and then I come back to NVDA. So in NVIDIA, I went long, I took a loss, then I went short, partial, add to the short, partial, all out at break even. So I did good on NVIDIA, yeah, for sure. So then I only trade PLTR. I really focus in PLTR after. And in PLTR it's a little bit hard to explain, but because I have too many executions. But basically, I went short. I add to the short. No, I went long. Yeah, this is why it looks like that. So yeah, I went long, partial, all out at break even. So that's one trade. Little profit there. He didn't even hold for longer. So then I took another long, and then he got me out with a loss. And then I shoot it again, another long here. Then I partial. Then I reloaded. That's the time I say, look, I have reloaded so many times. Then I partial again, reloaded again, and then I took a loss. Like all that there is just one trade. So like all like this is a loss, let's say, but all this is just one trade. So I went full size, partial, add full size again, partial, add full size again, and took a little loss. But as I say, like I paid for that trade a couple of times right there.
Several times.
So then I went long again, got out. Then I think I got short. I don't know. That's very messy there. I cannot really read that. So, but then I know I went short here, and like in this short here, then I partial, add to the short, got out at break even. Then I shorted again, partial, got out the break even. No, my bad. Shorted, partial, got out because I was convinced that was a long after this. Then I never got filled. I have an order here to get long. I never get it. So I got the 39 because it was still okay. Like it's a whole dollar late, but I got it. Whatever. So partial, break even. No, that's what I did. Again, because this is a new thing I'm doing. It's like, and I don't know until I get there. So I went long here, partial, and I reloaded. When I reloaded, I got shakeout And you know what I'm seeing now? That's the little part that is a little bit annoying here. That I got out because the system blocked, and not because it hit my maximum loss. Like not because it hit the loss of the trade. So I have to work on that thing later. So and that was my last trade. It was still profitable trade, but like yeah, it got me out there, and hey, whatever, it's okay. So yeah, I kind of don't like the slippage I'm paying for PLTR, but the way I'm working out this, like right now, I'm risking 15 cents, and I am finding it too much. So that is gonna be cut off soon. I just have to educate a little bit better myself. So yeah, so for that we're good. So as I say, green day. The week is still red because one of the days, like think it was Monday, I took like a bigger loss, and then I cut my maximum loss for the day half. So and then I got an observation day, and then I got one trading day that was red, but was not a big deal. And then I got a day off because it was. So technically,
It was
I,
off.
I, I literally only trade I only trade 3 days. So yeah. So that's it for me. I'm happy with the trading, as I say, even if it's a red week.
Yeah, you did very well, baby.
It's a decent. The learning is going on. It's good.
So I started with a big mistake.
You Lucy?
Yeah, with Lucy. So I started with the big mistake, and the big mistake is that what I thought was in my
Your thing was real.
was real. So then I flipped to my real account, but it was too late. So in my sim I did well, but in my real account I did very, very bad because I kept it. It really like my being in my real, in my sim.
Yeah, you were.
I thought I was
P&L.
in my sim, and I went pretty big, and I said, "Oh, that's okay. I'll put a stop loss, blah blah blah, and I'll ride it. I'm learning. I don't care. It's in my sim, but it wasn't in my sim." So then I just traded my
P&L.
P&L. So
Well,
an
that was
emotional
Lucy.
day, bad day, an emotional day with Lucy. I did well in Lucy with my sim, but sadly not in my real account. So yeah, the rest were good. Like I did a couple of others that were okay. That I didn't lose well, a big, but Lucy was a big one. So this is a understood.
Anything else you would like to add?
No, emotional day. Very emotional. Trading my P&L, and I want to get it back because it's so big. But every time I try to get it back, I'm just digging a hole even more. So right now, I'm debating to close it for today or to continue and hold a position. But we'll see.
Okay.
So
So-
Monday's another day.
So I hope everybody have a good week, and yeah, as Marie say, we're gonna be here Monday. Yeah, training is brutal sometimes, you know. Like I mean, we get the results right there, so it's what it
Today's
is.
a brutal day.
It's a tough business for anybody watching. Like I mean, I can make.
Especially when you make newbie mistakes. Like total newbie mistake. Not getting the right account, that's just, there's unacceptable.
Yeah,
So-
whenever I have done that, is like to flip from account is I find it hard.
Yeah, and I
Like
remember
sometimes you go
called
into
me
the
out to
good
that.
trade, you get the good trade, and you find out that you are like in your sim, and it's like
Oh,
then you are
sorry.
just chasing the whole move. So
And that's
that
exactly what happened. You just described it perfectly.
so, but yeah, so we're gonna keep doing our job, and that's part of the deal and part of the business. So yeah, I hope everybody have a good day and a good weekend. We're gonna be here Monday, so we will see you there.